Where is the Leviathan in the world according to the Bible? The Bible tells us the Leviathan is alive and lurking in the depths of the sea. This ancient creature is far older than you might think. It even survived the Great Flood. Think about it. When God announced the flood, it was to wipe out everything living on land. But the Leviathan? It thrived during this time, feeding on what the waters claimed. Now let's dive into the real mystery. The first possible location for the Leviathan is near the coast of Argentina in Chile. Here's why. Scientists recorded a mysterious sound from a massive creature in the ocean, one they couldn't identify. They called it the bloop. Its size? Absolutely mind-blowing. The second potential spot is the Bermuda Triangle. Yes, the infamous area where planes and ships have vanished for centuries. Pay close attention, because this will blow your mind. Sightings of enormous creatures have been reported around the triangle. And if the Leviathan, as the Bible says, can move freely, it makes perfect sense why these connections exist.